Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. Today we are making a very quick pasta recipe. It's so delicious, and guys, if you are new here, you are welcome. If you're an old subscriber coming back, thank you so much for coming back. As a working mom, you always need very quick recipes for the weekdays. So guys, come along with me and let's do this. It's so quick and it's so delicious, and you can make it over and over and your family will love it. So guys, I have the boiling water on fire. I'm going to cook my pasta. I put some salt in it, and then I put my pasta in it for it to cook. I love this pasta, this Penne pasta, but you can use any pasta of your choice. All right, so the pasta is all cooked. I need to take some of the water, that's the starchy liquid on it, because it helps make your pasta delicious. Okay, right, so let's start cooking it. I'm using this bacon, all right, but it's optional, but the bacon gives it a lovely taste. All right, I like flavor. All right, so it's nice and crispy. I'm taking it out, as you can see here. I'm just showing it to you how it looks. It's really nice. I add some chopped onions, okay, and I'll allow it to cook nicely until it's caramelized. All right, as you can see here. Yeah, so I'm going to use this sauce. I buy it in Costco. All right, it's called Arabiatta sauce. It's so flavorful, guys. Try it. I'm telling you, you are going to love it. It makes it so quick and easy to make this meal. All right, so I put that in. I'm using just half of it because it's a lot in it. And then, yes, I'm going to add this chopped grilled chicken that I have in the fridge. Okay, I just chop it small, and then I put that in. I put my bacon in. You can put the bacon at the end, but I like putting it at this time because it gives it more flavor. Let's add our pasta. All right, as I told you, it's a very quick and easy recipe. Okay, you add the pasta and then you just mix it. The flavor, I tell you, the flavor is amazing. You will love it, and it's quick. You can make it for your family. I'm adding the pasta liquid that I took from it because it gives it really nice flavor and texture as well. So that's why I took some out. The last thing I'm adding, guys, is my Parmesan. Okay, I buy it this way and I grate it myself because it gives it much more flavor. I don't like the ones that have been grated already. Yeah, so this is the last thing I'm adding. This is the Parmesan because it gives it the topmost flavor. I tell you, add it to it and you are going to love it. Okay, and yeah, it's all done now, guys. It's all done. I put it bit by bit, and then just how much you like to put in it. But guys, the more, the tastier. I love it that way. So it's all done, and it's delicious. It's flavorful. I tell you, try it and you are going to love it. As a working mom, you can do it during the weekday for your family. My kids takes some of this to school as well as their lunch. It's amazing. Yes, on top of it, yeah, you add more Parmesan to it to just give it more flavor. It's absolutely delicious. Okay, so guys, if you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Don't forget to share. Okay, share this recipe because it's really delicious.